you going? Tell me first, where are you going?
I'm not telling you.
Why?
Hi guys, today's that's gum, okay? Hi guys, this is the first day of holiday. A goat? Where's that goat? I saw a goat. I saw a goat in the city. I never saw a goat in the city.
Crossing the road.
Crossing the road. I never see. Look, there's a goat in the car. No.
Why is he? He's shy.
The beautiful city of Dubai. Okay, I'll just do it at the gate, okay?
Magaganda na dito ng villa.
So guys, I'm gonna wash my hands clear because my hands are really dirty. Dong 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 tuck it dong dong ding ding. I'll do
Wala kang yuwa.
3, 2, 1. Wala kang juwa. Wala kang juwa. Wala kang juwa. Mommy, do you have a juwa?
Yeah, Daddy is my jowa.
No, you have 0.
I know. How about that?
He have 0.
How about you?
I have 0.
You have 3.
I have 0. Oh, we're almost there to my Ninong Shadd's house. Hello! Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. What is up, beautiful people? Today, we're going to do a house tour in Ninong Shadd's house. Where's the doorbell? Okay guys, that's doorbell. It's not even working. Maybe this is this.
Hey! How are you?
Good.
Hello guys. Welcome to my humble abode.
Yeah.
Guys, let's go inside. Let's go inside the house. The door's open.
How are you?
Wet.
Hi everyone. Welcome to my humble abode.
So this is the living room, and this is the big basement. Taller than me.
Oh, yeah. So this is where like we have some visitor like you. Look who's I'm watching.
Wow!
Who's that? Who's that? Okay. Come on guys, let me show you some of my stuff. Let's go, Cassie.
Oh, look! It's
This one is where we usually do art studio parties. This is just a big hole.
Wow.
Look at this. This is my favorite one. Come on, guys.
Tiger!
And this is my favorite one. Look at the light.
I want to touch the light.
Cassie, do you like this? Touch this one.
My back. To see the room. Hello.
Guys, Cassie usually we're planning to do a ballroom dancing here, like ballroom dancing class, and Cassie will be the teacher. So show me
Your
how,
ball-
show me your how to ballet.
Come on.
Show me. You don't know. Oh yeah. See? That's the thing that runs in the blood. Very irritating.
This is
So here.
This is the back room.
Yes.
And this is the toilet actually have in it now because nobody flushed.
No, there's no pool.
Yes, there's food.
Maybe the germs did that. So. Guys, let me show you my room. Come on, Cassie.
Let's go.
Yay! The most exciting part.
So we're now heading to my pad. So I need some privacy, but this kid would like to see my room. You like to see my room?
I'm excited to see Ninong Shadd's room.
Open it. Hey.
Wow.
Introduce Toffee. Try to introduce Toffee to your vlog. Hi guys. This is Toffee, my daughter.
You're not a daughter.
Say hi, Sophie.
And guys, as you can see, like I'm trying to match my bedroom style with my personality, just little bit, you know, IKEA. So I have here like a little pillow from Cassie.
Yes.
This is supposed to be for Toffee, but Cassie wants this one, so I'm gonna put it there. Right, Cassie?
Yeah.
Introduce Toffee.
No.
Why?
No.
Why? Come on.
No. I want to see upstairs.
Yeah, as you can see, guys, I have a lot of phone there. I'm a member of Mafia. And here on this side, where I actually usually watch TV.
And then the background just keep on changing.
Exactly.
You like Ninong Shadd's room?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it cozy? Is it cozy here? How about you? You like it?
I want to see upstairs.
Yeah, upstairs. Oh my god, we have to see this. This is my wonder ceiling. The architect is Jerick Rosales. The one who made this light is Jerick.
I want to go upstairs.
That's why Jerick is so dark, because he put all his light right up there.
This is the most beautiful bed, and this is so comfy to jump. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Jump one more time. One more time. Hi.
What the heck, Cassie?
More
Come on,
scarier.
touch na. Hi, Toffee. Hi, Toffee. Say hi to Toffee, baby.
Ah,
Say hi to Toffee.
my God.
Guys, I'm gonna Here in my wardrobe. I'm just gonna like show you some of my favorite stuff. This is my favorite shoes from Percotton, and the other one's from Gucci. It's a Gucci Gucci. Gucci para sa choking. And then here's my favorite clothes here. So the most things I like is cars, Versace, and I have a Dolce and Gabbana. No, it's Dolce and Gabbana. Here. Yeah. And then here is my Ninong Shadd, a bachelor's pad. So as you can see, it's all organized. I put it all here, and then topping my cat litter. That's it. And then here where I showered. There's a curtain, and I'm gonna show you some of my collections. Here, as you can see, I organize my stuff. And unfortunately, some of them are not paid yet, but it's okay. They don't know that.
So now we're going to upstairs.
Guys, here's my wonder stairs.
I'm scared with stairs, but I'm not as good with stairs. Sorry.
Go on, say from here.
Maybe the stairs are up to something. And this is another living room. This is the wonderful living room. Ah, look at the ceiling there.
This is just for you. You want to talk out of this. And then we have this. I don't know what's that. We have this. Okay. So here for coffee. Okay, for Cassie.
What for what?
It's locked. Okay. So guys, we're gonna go to the kitchen right now to show you my baking skills.
The kitchen. I'm scared. I didn't want my own. Careful with stairs.
Now you're going inside the...
Kitchen. The kitchen is here. Here's the stairs.
Yes. So here, where we do chop massage.
The boy Lelgro.
Exactly. And here where we eat. And we cook. We just cook something. As you can see, kitchen stuff. So that's it. I had some. Wait, I'm not gonna open it, but I'm gonna share my favorite drink.
Berry. It's very
Very much. What else you want, Cassie?
Kasi show them your dirty kitchen.
You wanna see the dirty kitchen down there?
Here's the dirty kitchen.
Yes, literally dirty. But it's there, like we have this for maiden's quarter. So you wanna see guys?
Let's go.
Let's go out. Here. Hey, this is the shortcut. Hello.
This is the short outside. And the outside.
Now we're outside.
Now,
This is like a Greece. Santorini. You're Greece. Look at this. Greece is a country. Look at this. Santorini. We have this white thing. White mirror. So guys, they're angry. Hi guys. So here is our maiden's quarter. The people it is. This is just an extra kitchen for them. So we build this up. We have an extra fridge. Our laundry area is there. Stuffy's bed is there. The Stuffy's bed and pillows. And that's it.
Backyard.
Cassie will tour you like the backyard.
Come on, anak, tour them to the backyard.
The backyard is over here. Of course, here the playground.
Oh,
Here's the playground. This is the swing boat action hub. This is the swing boat. There's a trampoline, and these are the swings, and this is the slide. And whatever this is. So let's go.
and that's the gardener? Is that the gardener?
No,
Hi! Hi, Daddy!
and this is the gardener, but
Guys,
let's go have a rooftop, but I don't like to go there.
come on! Let's go!
This is at the rooftop, but I'm scared to go.
Go.
Mommy, hold my hand. I'm scared. Mommy, help. No, I don't want to change my mind. I don't want. This is the view from the top. It's so amazing, but I got scared from the height. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the house tour of my Ninong Shadd. Bye! Press the bell button here, the subscribe button here, and don't forget if you don't, and then I will put you up in the rooftop forever. Bye. So like and subscribe, okay? Stay home, stay safe, stay gangsta, and stay rock and roll and peace.